Hi guys, this is the very first time I'm recording something on Sushant's death. I have been active on Facebook and Twitter for the campaign to reach authorities related to CBI inquiry. Unfortunately, my Twitter account has been suspended for the reasons unknown to me. I obviously attempted to share facts and tweeted back to some big names of Bollywood, but my efforts were projected in a bad light, and some people might have reported it, which proves that I was speaking truth and I'll keep doing it, whatever happens to me. See, when I came to know that my Twitter has been suspended, I told few of my friends through direct messages to continue the campaign of tagging for CBI inquiry for Sushant and tag me also in their post, as I don't know when I'll be back on Twitter. I'm not able to tweet, I'm not able to retweet, I can just send direct messages. So I did that. See, yeah, this is not right. Matlab कि I'm not able to tweet on my own verified Twitter account. My followers have been removed in a day. I don't know how and why. मतलब अब सच को सच ना कहें, मतलब और झूठ में हाँ मिलाएं, कैसे और क्यों? I don't want to take anyone's name over here, as again they might feel offended and would report my FB account and my YouTube channel, because this is the only way to get in touch with the billions of people who are on the same page. I tweeted to some of the big names in the Bollywood who are literally fighting on Twitter and mainstream media for their family, for their daughter and husband. And I really don't want them to feel offended again and block me, because this is the only way they can stop us. But I have a message for those people who reported my accounts. सुन लो, द एफर्ट्स विल बी द सेम, क्योंकि हमारे पास अभी और कोई काम नहीं है, ना हमारे दिमागों में कोई और सोच है. वी स्लीप विद द सेम थाट, वी वेक अप विद द सेम थाट. ओके, जब तक ये सब क्लियर कट सामने नहीं आ जाता, वील कीप आस्किंग फॉर जस्टिस एंड क्लैरिटी. इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ पर्सनली, आई एम नॉट अ न्यू फैन ऑफ सुशांत. I am following him for years and watched all his shows, interviews, movies. Moreover, I know many of the facts about his life and personality from the very beginning, which people are coming to know nowadays through social media. I can say that he was a positive person. So one thing is clear: you report my FB, Twitter, or whatever, I'll make a new account. You block it again, I'll make another account. You report it again, I'll again and again make an account and would keep speaking truth. We were tweeting on Twitter, as we feel that it's the best platform to raise voice and reach out to authorities. I'm a Pakistani and I request Mr. Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Mumbai Police, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, to hand over this case to CBI. In fact, I've been tagging them all in my post and on Twitter as well. I know I'm right, and asking for the right thing is not wrong. It cannot be wrong at all. A lot of people told me, not to get into this and tag such people as being Pakistani. It's not safe. अरे भाई, क्या safe, क्या unsafe? See, the entire world is raising voice for Sushant Singh. Why? Because they feel it's right. Irrespective of the country, faith, religion, billions of people are united and asking for CBI inquiry. What's wrong in that? And why it is taking so much of time? We are, apart from this, see, we are trying to reach international media as well, and we will keep trying for it unless we get a clarification on his suicide or murder, whatever it is, because many facts reveals that it can be a murder. And if it is not a murder, there are a lot of stuff coming out which proves that he was targeted by Bollywood biggies in many aspects. So if he committed suicide also because of depression or because of his mental state, it is nothing less than a murder. So there should be a proper investigation on that. See, how come the authorities ignore that there were several tragic incidents of fans committing suicide? In fact, a young boy from Bareilly died by suicide just days after Sushant's death. I saw a few reports on Google. So according to those reports, this boy who was studying in class 10th wrote in suicide letter that if he can do, why cannot I, or why can't I? I mean, this is terrifying piece of news, and there are many incidents like this. My question to authority is, what is your take on such news? Or are you waiting for more such incidents to happen? Then you will take an initiative. It is very clear that Sushant Singh's passing away have been more personal for the younger generation. This is very important to realize because he seems very relatable to all of us. He started from scratch and he had big dreams like all of us do. So it is very disheartening to know that he took away his own life. No, he cannot. He cannot. He was strong-minded person, and he was aware of life. He knew his skills, and he had a realization of his dreams, and a lot more. It's not possible such a person can commit suicide, and if he does, then there are reasons behind it which needs to be find out, and justice should be served. So this is the whole thing. I'm waiting for my Twitter account to get active so I can connect with the common people who are fighting for the right thing, and the celebrities who are fighting for CBI inquiry on this case. I request again, once again, I request to Mr. Narendra Modi to take an initiative and hand over this case to CBI, please. This is my request on behalf of Sushant's fans from Pakistan and all over the world. Please, sir, do something.